Are you ready to film this?
Yeah, it's time to give Euro car parts some bad press today. Oh, look at all these bits on the floor. Oh, Christ, I've got all the front end bits.
You can watch this at your own leisure. We need to film
I'll
this.
have this on telly.
Yeah.
I can't, there's some bloody hot stuff on the YouTube. Come on then, crack on, Gromit.
Hello, you absolute legends. Welcome back to the channel from somewhere warm. Today, we've ditched the...
Warm?
The garage.
I've just had my letter about Monday. I can't have the heating on, pal. You put your coat on.
It's warmer than in the garage.
No, it's not.
This is a unboxing video. We've been sent a present. It's come all the way from my friends in Malaysia. The team at Proton, yes, the actual team at Proton, like the proper people at Proton, have sent us a present. I must start the video by shouting out Ash, who is in charge of the PR at Geely, for sending me this, and Faisal, who is the chap at Proton who have sent us this. We've got a present, and it's going to be an unboxing video from Proton. They've sent us some goodies, and I said I would give them a shout out and show you, and you as well. So I've actually opened this because when it came it said repacked, and I was concerned that somebody might have stolen my Proton goodies. So yeah, the team at Proton reached out to us and said, John and Dad, thank you so much for repping Proton here in the UK. As you know, #1 Proton fan.
Hopefully they're going to reintroduce importing them.
Oh, well, I don't think that's going to happen.
Oh, I bet it will.
I've had a chat with Ash, who's gone, don't know where all these journalists have got this information from, but they're wrong.
They're keeping the cards close to the chest.
Maybe. So anyway, they've sent us a package. What's in the package? Well, we're about to find out. There's some bits come from Proton.
There's a really good film on the YouTube I want to watch.
What's that?
There's some Taiwan wasting waffling on it.
Yeah, one of our videos has just gone live. So that is from DHL. I'm saddened that when DHL have repacked this, they've actually attached some of their sticky label to the box, which has caused it to become damaged. But,
Is that a proper Proton box?
in here, now to add to the collection is Proton box. Look at that.
Excellent.
Proton box. It's got a Proton ribbon, which I can use as a,
Is that from some sort of car show thing, should you think?
curtain tie. I can use this in the front room now.
Well, Mrs. C would be all happy with that.
I could do a little ribbon for Mrs. C's hair.
No!
Yeah. What? You got to tie it around your head?
Yeah. A bit like Bruce Lee.
So we've got
When
this
you're
box.
fixing Protons with your Bruce Lee bandana on.
Look at this. Look. What do we think's in the box? Should we go open it?
Yes, please. Rather. Oh, you got to undo the ribbon, eh?
Yeah, I've not looked in the box. I've looked to make sure that it's not damaged, and it is damaged, which I was devastated about. So, boo to DHL for damaging my Proton box. But yeah, oh, it's like Christmas. I'm going to make Mrs. JC a hair ribbon thing out of this. Look at that.
It's really an accident then.
Ready? What's in the box? Da, da, da. You've just done a Jeremy Clarkson lean forward time thing. Oh, look at this.
No, my giddy hand.
What's that? Pants? Proton pants? I don't know. Let's have a look. There we are. That is the Proton goodies box. Where do we start? Should we start here?
Oh.
Put it on there. Oh, I don't want to damage my box, but also I want the good people
Box is
to be able to see it.
Let me move my chair a bit.
No, you're all right. Okay. Wow, look at that.
School book.
Yeah. You can write down all the things we need to fix.
I don't think you'd write anything in that Proton thing.
In this, which is a Proton notebook. Proton X. This is the current Proton range.
Oh, is it?
The X50, the X70, the S70, the X90.
Oh, it is a car
Iris,
show thing then, isn't
the
it?
Saga, and the Persona.
What countries do they do Protons in now?
Malaysia,
Yeah?
Australia,
Do they?
China, all over.
North Vietnam?
I don't know, because obviously Proton's now owned by Geely.
Who's she?
Proton notebook.
That sounds like Geely sounds like a nickname of a girl from the 1970s.
Does it?
Yeah.
All right. And also attached, I'm trying to be really careful because I don't want to damage anything.
No. Oh.
Oh yeah, baby, look at that. Proton inspiring connection.
Ooh, is it a swivelly one?
Get your mitts off.
But it's a swivelly one, isn't it?
Proton keyring. There you go, you can have that.
Oh, look at this.
Put that on your
No, I'm not
S70 when they send us one.
Oh, yeah. Inspiring
What do you reckon to
connections.
that? That's good, isn't it?
What sort? Is that a Proton logo?
Yeah. Looks like a Thundercat. Or a Peugeot.
Smart, that.
Yeah, look at that.
Look at the Proton book. Oh, I see. Yes, you could put your... In the 1970s, you'd say, put the date and the mileage and the amount of fuel you put in it.
Yes.
And the next time you put fuel in it, you put the mate. Some people actually used to do that.
The 1.5 GE I bought from John Knight from Wales. He had a book and logged every journey in his Proton. The 17,000 miles that he ever did in it.
What's an iris?
It's a model of Proton from Malaysia. We never got any of these. We only got the Persona and the Saga.
So you'd be able to get right-hand drives, though, if you'd been from Australia, wouldn't you?
Believe so, yeah.
Do you think they go to Japan?
I don't know. We'll have to find out. When we inevitably get invited to Malaysia.
What I'm trying to say is, wouldn't it be really nice to get a Proton, a modern Proton, in the UK?
Yes. Yes, it would.
But I wouldn't want a left hooker.
See, there was a Proton Perdana here in the UK. I think it was a 2014 model, or 27. It was a Proton Perdana, and I bought it, and then I wasn't allowed it because it belonged to the Prime Minister of Malaysia, and I wasn't allowed it in the end.
Listen to me.
I'm not allowed to talk about that.
Isn't X50s BMWs?
I think a lot of the styling is potentially Volvo-esque.
Oh, I know the old models they've been
I think Volvo is also Geely, isn't it?
That's why they've used the X stuff then, isn't it?
Yeah.
Ah, that answers a lot of questions, doesn't it?
I think if we did a video...
Once they did a V70 Estate Proton.
I think if we did a video talking about modern Protons, it would go... Everyone would want it. But anyway, put them down because now we have more things to look at in the... What's in the box here? Nothing else there. So that's that and that's that. Do you want red or blue?
What is it?
Well, do you want red or blue?
They're yours.
I don't know what they are. I'm assuming
That looks like a little shirt thing.
I'm assuming they're shirts.
Yeah, for small people.
Well, this might be a bag, actually. Is it a bag? Oh, yes.
Can you, Mrs. Coupland, going to work with
No.
lunch in that?
Take that down to Lidl. Fill that full of your goodies. Look at that.
Yeah,
The
can't
Proton
spoil
shopping bag. Oh, you can't have that. I want that.
That's smart.
How cool is that? The Proton. It's from protonmerchandise.com if you want to get onto the website.
Well, probably, can you still get them then?
Well, I don't know. It's very good quality. Are you heading onto the website? Look at the lining in there. It's like a magician's bag. Ow!
Bloody rabbit bit me.
Oh, we'll gift that to Mother, I think. She can
No, it's too good for her.
go to Lidl. It does look like it's made out of a pair of jeans.
What is it? What's it called?
It's at protonmerchandise.com. I bet they don't ship to the UK. Oh, look at that. How brilliant is that? That's bloody brilliant, that is. Oh, yeah.
Can't wait. Official Proton merch. Apparels.
Apparels.
Proton merchant. Oh. Official support. Oh, here we go.
What can you see?
Proton shop. You've got Proton mugs.
I've got a lot of Proton.
Proton hiking mug. Proton
What's a
tote
hiking
bag.
mug? Like a flask?
No, it's a hiking enamel.
Oh, it's one of the... Is that the right... Hang on a minute. Are you on the right thing? No. What's that you're on?
Oh.
That's not Proton
It says
cards,
Proton
is it?
on it.
Yeah, but that's just some... Let's have a look at that.
No, it's not, is it?
That's not Proton cars. What have you got on? I gave you the website to go on. Anyway, you looking at your phone makes bad YouTube.
Does it?
Yeah, people can't see what you're doing.
Oh,
Should we
right.
continue filming this video?
Yeah.
And you can look later at protonmerchandise.com.
Yeah.
Good.
I don't think it's available on my phone.
No, I don't think you're allowed.
Ah! Hang on a minute.
Oh, you found it?
No. Does it? Hello, Google. Show me Proton merchandise.
Here is some information about Proton merchandise. This site has been developed as a convenient, easy to use, always available website for purchasing the Proton's official merchandise, in an effort to continuously improve and better serve our
I don't-
customers.
I mean, that is the website, the top one. It's brought you up the right thing. I need to give you some context. Dad didn't know how to use the onboard Google feature to ask stuff. Now I've
know.
taught him how to do it. So
Excellent.
now you're on the Proton merchandise.
I blooming well am.
Excellent news.
Apparel. Accessories. Oh, roof racks.
Roof racks?
It is a shirt, is it? I thought it
Well,
was.
we
It
haven't
looked-
opened it yet, but it looks like it. Are you
is.
ready? It looks like it's the new Manchester United home kit. Ready? Oh! So it's the Proton Jean tote bag. It's 45 Malaysian ringgits. Oh, I'd quite like an umbrella.
You've got one.
Ready?
Oh, a lanyard. You look like you're somebody if you've got a lanyard.
Core blimey.
That'll fit you, son.
40 years of growing together, it says on the back.
Hey, they sent you the right one, didn't they?
Oh, yeah, look at that.
It's not for Dad.
I'm putting that on now. Get it on. I mean, it is like a school PE kit top.
Yeah.
Wear this to car shows.
Well, I can wear my yellow one, yeah, but I've never dared wear it yet.
Oh, it's a bit tight.
Oh, yeah, it shows your guns off, look.
Yeah. But it's also a bit tight due to the fact that I'm wearing 3 other
Yeah,
legs.
yeah, well, this is it, isn't it? You've
Oh,
stretched
hang
it
on a
here.
minute. I've lost me.
You've probably ripped it here.
Hang on a minute.
Oh, John.
What's that? What you found?
Oh.
Oh, you can get a Proton burqa.
No, it's a coat.
Oh, I thought it was a burqa.
No, it's a flipping wind.
What do you reckon?
Yeah,
Gun show?
I'm going to put this down there. No, it just looks like a fat bloke in a little bloke shirt.
I think I might take this off.
Fat bloke in a little bloke shirt. That's very good, though. It is a nice shirt, though.
Well, yeah. I'm going to hold it up in a second.
I'm looking forward to summer when I can wear my other shirt. It's too big to go to the gym in.
Well, there you go. Look at that.
How can it? Oh yeah, Pete goes to the gym. In
Pete goes to the gym in his Proton shirt.
Oh, I should have to do a complete thing, wouldn't it? Hey, here we are at the gym.
I mean, that is very kind of Ash and Faisal to send us those.
But it's nice of them to think on
And
you.
that's a very nice addition to my Proton merchandise collection, because I've been collecting up.
Did you
Proton
get one of
merch.
those yellow shirts as well?
No, I didn't. You've got a Proton racing shirt. I haven't. But yeah,
How come I've got it and you ain't then?
because I don't think they do them in my size.
I see.
Anyway,
Well, they do them red shirts in your size.
so you can have this if you want it.
Now you keep all your merch together.
Oh, we'll keep it in the box. But I will be wearing the T-shirt to, I don't know, the Festival of the Unexceptional. Who knows? But there it is. That is what we've been sent from the team at Proton. I'm going to reuse this ribbon. I am genuinely going to make Mrs. John Coupland a little hair thing out of that, and she'll be thrilled to bits. I might put the T-shirt on in the summer when it
I
warms
think you
up.
should have the T-shirt
Use a
on.
shopping bag
and
a
make
little.
that into a Bruce Lee sweatband. Let's go look at Protons.
And then I can take all my money with me in my Proton bag. Write it all down in there. And then when I get the keys, put my Proton keyring on. It's the one-stop Proton
Stop.
buying shop. Good. Well, I hope you enjoyed us just having a look at that.
Well, yeah, because
stuff.
sometime they sent you, wouldn't they?
Yeah, they sent it me a
just finally
couple of
got
weeks ago.
round to
We
it.
got round to having a look at it. So,
Get this on the interweb.
so thank you very much. What do you reckon? Out of everything in the Proton box, what are you most excited about? What would you like to take home if I could give you one of these things? let me know. I think the tote bag is cool. Just repping the Proton tote bag. What would you pick if you could have one of these?
Oh, shit.
You'd have the shirt?
Yeah.
It's a bit big for you, mate. What size is it? It's double XL, so.
Probably a bit big for me then.
But it's
Didn't used to be, but it is now.
yeah. Anyway,
Do you think they chose that specially for you?
what, the shirt size?
Yeah.
Well, I did tell them what shirt size.
Ah,
it was.
well
They did
then.
ask me what shirt size I was, so I knew there was a shirt coming. And actually, I told them I would need an extra large, and Faisal wrote back, words to the effect of, Mr. John, our sizes are a little bit smaller over here. So may I respectfully suggest you might need a bigger size? And he was right, wasn't he? But anyway, Proton shirt incoming. If you've enjoyed this little time-wasting, waffling video, thumbs up, please. What do you reckon to the new studio, by the way? Mum's decked it out with flowers. We needed, I don't know, tools in the background here, but
You don't have tools in the conservatoire.
decked out with flowers.
Why are we in here?
Because it's cold and rainy and horrible out there.
It's not raining in my shed.
Well, we're going out there in a minute anyway, but
We're
more
going to
on
do some stuff, are we?
We've got lots of work to do. I brought the van round, so we'll do that. But anyway, if you've enjoyed this video, thumbs up please. Let me know in the comments. What would you like? Thanks to the team at Proton. Thanks to Ash. Thanks to Faisal. We will, of course, keep repping Proton here in the UK. What you're saying is next you want them to send us a car.
No, what I want them to do is start importing them back into this country.
You heard it here first. Till next time, have a great day. Thanks for watching. Goodbye. As ever, thank you for watching this video. Dad and I have selected a couple more videos for you that we think that you might like. They're here now. Just give them a click to watch them. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already done so. It means a lot to us. Thank you.